Happy Washi Wednesday! I've got a new tip, and today we are going to learn how to make stickers using washi tape. You're going to grab some vellum or some wax paper, whichever you prefer. I'm going to use a sheet of vellum here, and then if you are like me and you are a crafter, you have all of these random stamps laying around, and we are going to put those to good use today. So I'm going to turn my sheet sideways here, and the secret to making the perfect washi sticker is to start with the washi tape half off the page and half on your cutting mat or table. And then you're going to continue overlapping the washi tape slightly on the piece in front of it. Now, I fiddled with this for a while before I figured out this nifty little trick. Because if you put the tape only on the vellum, it's very hard to get that first grasp to start peeling the backing off so that it becomes a sticker. So we're going to peel this up now that we've layered enough washi to cover our stamp window. And I like to turn it upside down, and it just makes it a little bit easier to make sure that you've covered the entire thing with washi. And you want to make sure that you get a little snippet at the bottom there of the piece that is not attached to the wax paper. Stamp it, and then you have a perfect washi sticker, guys. How cool is this? Now, having that little edge there, I'm going to just start by peeling back the vellum or the wax paper. And it should eventually peel right off, and you can stick it right into your journal. So this is obviously a simple circle, but you know how many stamps are out there. You can do all sorts of shapes, and this is an amazing way to add color and pattern to your journals using washi tape. So I'm just going to walk through it one more time here with another stamp, and I'm using a foil washi tape this time. I wanted to test all the different patterns and styles of washi tape to make sure they worked just as smoothly, and this cut like a dream. So here I'm just going to flip it upside down. I'm sliding it into the window, making sure to leave a little piece of the overhang, and then boom, I have a washi sticker. So this is a really great tip for you to really customize your layouts and to decorate your planner spreads in a way that is completely unique to you. Imagine all of the possibilities you could do here, guys, with all of the different washi tape out there. No two sticker has to be alike. I hope you found this new tip helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for updates on all things washi tape, from DIYs to FAQs to our Wednesday Washi Tips. And as always, guys, happy Washi Wednesday.